Hi, my name is Bruna Free Spirit, and I'm a tattoo artist and a proud trans woman. I feel really bad if someone asks me you have a dick or a pussy. Like, it's none of your job. It's a very personal question. लोगों को बहुत इंटरेस्ट है जानने में दैट कि क्या आपकी पास्ट लाइफ बहुत सैड थी या वो आपको देखते ही जज कर लेते हैं। किसी भी ट्रांसमेंट को देख के वो जज कर लेते हैं कि इसकी लाइफ बहुत सैड होगी, इसके पेरेंट्स ने इसे एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया होगा, इसे घर से निकाल दिया होगा, कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी। सो एक सिंपैथी क्रिएट हो जाती है एंड वो पूछने लग जाते हैं दैट आपकी लाइफ कैसी थी, पहले कैसी नहीं थी। फर्स्ट थिंग, लाइक मेरी लाइफ ऐसी नहीं थी। मैंने अपनी लाइफ में एंजॉय किया है, अपनी लाइफ को अच्छे से जिया है। मेरी लाइफ में मैं जब ब्रूना बनी, जब ट्रांजिशन किया तब भी टफ पार्ट्स थे, बट मैंने अपनी लाइफ को हैप्पीली जिया, तो मैंने कोई सैड पार्ट्स नहीं जिए। कोई भी लाइफ में इंसिडेंट तुम्हें ट्रांसवुमन या ट्रांसमैन, गे या लेस्बियन नहीं बना सकता। वो तुम नेचुरली हो। अगर तुम गे हो तो तुम हो, अगर ट्रांसवुमन हो तो तुम हो। तुम उनसे वो नहीं पूछ सकते हो कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ हुआ इसलिए तुम ट्रांसवुमन बन गए या इसलिए तुम एक ट्रांसमैन बन गए। अगर there's a trans woman and she is transitioning from a man to a woman, तो उसकी आवाज़ मैनली होगी। There are trans women जिनकी feminine voice भी है, but not everyone have a feminine voice, and there should not be any problem with manly voice also. So you should not judge me on basis of my voice, even if it's manly or if it's feminine. I am myself. So me being a pansexual, I can date a man, a woman, any trans man, any trans woman. So for me, love have no boundaries. I can love everyone, and I can date everyone. So it's a complicated thing for every trans woman. There's a different thing. Some trans women date men, some trans women date women. Some are pansexuals, some are bisexuals. There are a lot of things. As you know, in India, there are a lot of trans women whose parents, they don't accept them from the time of their birth. So it's a sad thing for them. Like, my family accepted me. I'm happy. So I'm cool with it. But there are a lot of trans women whose families doesn't accept them. And whenever you ask this question to them, it triggers the past. It triggers all the incidents that she have been through with her family. So you shouldn't ask trans women whether her family accepts her or not. First of all, surgery for trans women is a real big step. It's a very big step in her life that she's gonna take, and not every trans women go through a surgery. Some go through it and some prefer to be like that. But the question that people ask is when are you going through surgery, and when are you getting a pussy or a dick from trans women? I think that's bad. So I don't think it should bother you what's inside my skirts. Maybe it's a dick or a pussy. I am a woman and I feel I'm a woman. Surgery is real big step for a trans woman, and it's her personal choice whether she should go through it or not, and it shouldn't bother you. First of all, it's none of your job, and maybe I have real me, maybe I have fake boobs. I don't care. Why should you care? Like, as in India, you have seen people, they see trans women and they think they are goddesses and they want to take their ashirwad and all, their blessing. They feel that our blessings are so true and all. But dude, I'm a tattoo artist. Sometimes people come and they want to take my ashirwad, and I'm like a normal person and I'm like you. And whenever someone asks me for ashirwad or they need blessings, I'm like, yes, my blessings are with you, but do not compare me to a goddess. So people want to see a picture of me, of earlier me, as a guy. So even I don't want to see that picture, but that that people want to see it, like how I used to look before. So again, for a trans woman, it's a journey. She have left that part behind. She have left that thing behind. It's her past, and let it be. Don't ask for her pictures as she was earlier or not. Maybe she's not comfortable with it. Maybe she's not comfortable with showing her pictures. Like there can be lots of reasons. So never ask a picture of a trans woman. I would ask you, when did you decided to be straight, or even like did you even decide it, or society just gave it to you? Rethink it. So I have choose my gender, my sexuality on my own, and I'm living it myself.